How to log into your Kroger credit card account online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also looking to log into your credit card that is of Kroger, so here's what you need to do. So first thing, just open up any of your favorite browser and just search in for Kroger credit card login, or you can also just head over to the official website of www.kroger.com and just tap on the first link which appears over there. And once inside here, you just have to profile, and once inside here, you just have to tap on this profile icon from the top right corner of your navigation screen. And if you're using PC, it's the same method or process. Now just tap on the sign in button over here, and you just have to wait for a few seconds until it redirects you to the next screen, and where you'll simply have to provide your registered email address as well as your password. And while filling up all of your details, just make sure you have entered the correct password as well as your login email address, and just click on sign in. And if you do not like your browser to keep your login info, you can always uncheck this box and simply click on sign in button over here to successfully sign in to your Kroger credit card account online. And if you ever forget your password, you can always go for the forget password link over here to successfully reset them by following the on-screen instructions. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.